Hello everyone, my name is Manto Kral and my section is 20765 and my U number is U60964912. So today I'm going to answer some case study questions for sale analysis for CAD manufacturing. As you can see over here, we have different things about CAD manufacturing like total sales, revenue by categories, top customer in sales, sales by division map, and sales by product line. So let's get started. So the first question is, what were the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? So we'll go to sales revenue by quarter. We'll click on 2020, and the third quarter is, so the total sales in the third quarter for 2020 was $9,142,297. Okay, to the next question. What were the total sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? So we'll click on 2021, we'll click on medical category, and this is the second quarter. So the sales revenue for medical category in the second quarter of 2021 was $2,246,190. Okay, and then the next question is, which product line had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category? So we'll go to materials processing, we'll go to 2019, and we'll go to the products line section. So pulsed YT had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. Okay, now up to the next question. What is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? So we're going to click on Germany. So we're going to click on 2019 for the year. So the top product line for Germany in 2019 is low YT with the sales of $4,209,871. Okay, for the next question, in 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division? What was the dollar amount? So we'll click on 2020. We'll click on United Kingdom, and we'll click on telecom category. So you have to say which quarter had the highest sales. Telecom category. So the third quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category in 2020 with the sales of $125,634. And then up to the next question. Who is CAD manufacturing top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So we're going to back up from United Kingdom. Going to back up from telecom. And then, so we have to tell who is the top customer of CAD manufacturing in the fourth quarter of 2020. So we're going to click on fourth quarter. So the Boyce company was the top customer for CAD manufacturing in the fourth quarter of 2020. I'm going to click back. And then the next question is, who is the top customer for Russia division in 2021? So we're going to click on Russia. We're going to click on 2021. Who's the top customer? The Sacramento Inc. is the top customer in sales for Russia in 2021. Okay, and now for the last question. If you were on top of the management of team of CAD manufacturing, what overall strategy could this dashboard help you address? So if I was on top of the management team for CAD manufacturing, I would use all this analysis and data and ask my team to invest in the places where we are earning the most profit. I'll look at the potential markets with the help of these revenue categories, with the division map where we can sell more products and more services to the customers. And I'll sell to those customers who have more in sale, and I try to persuade those customers who are not buying. For example, there are several companies who are not buying in bulk from us. I'll try to convince them more to buy more, and I'll try to invest in potential markets with the help of this analysis data. Thank you.